Is your Honda HR-V key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead or weak battery. The HR-V key fob uses a CR2032 battery, which typically lasts 1 to 2 years. Pop open the fob, usually with your physical key, and replace it. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, the fob may need to be relearned. To relearn the key fob, insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position without starting the engine, press the lock button on the fob for 4 seconds, and repeat for any other fobs. This resets the car's body control module BCM memory. Test the range of your fob. It should work from 10 to 30 meters away. These two fixes solve the majority of key fob issues. If battery replacement and relearning don't work, the issue might be a faulty antenna module. This module, located in the car's roof or door pillars, receives signals from the fob. Corrosion or damage can cause it to fail, leading to a no-start situation. Antenna module replacement can cost $200 to $500 at a dealership, involving module replacement and BCM reprogramming. Note: Honda issued a recall in 2024 for certain HR-V models, approximately 300,000 vehicles, due to faulty antenna modules. Check if your vehicle is affected. Looking ahead, Honda is moving towards smartphone app connectivity via Honda Link as a backup for fob failures. Future HR-Vs may feature keyless entry with biometric sensors, eliminating the need for fobs altogether. Remember to avoid cheap aftermarket fobs, which can void warranties.